Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So today we are back with another video on C++ and in this video we will be not covering any tutorial because in this video we will be creating an amazing project in C++ which will be of an amazing temperature converter app. Means in this video we will be creating a temperature converter app using C++. Like you all know that the summers are on their way and there is really, you can say, hot outside, and today we are creating a temperature converter app, which in this app you will be seeing that the temperature will be changing, like it will be changing the temperature to centigrade to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to centigrade, and like that, degrees to Fahrenheit, and there are many other options also, so you can just convert the temperature into different formats. So this will be really amazing video. Remember to see this video from start if you want to learn that how we can create this amazing temperature converter app in C++. So remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe and hit notification bell as well. So from that you will be getting all the notifications of my video which I'll be uploading in future. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started with our amazing temperature app which we will be creating in C++ from start. So now we are on the computer screen, and here, like I've shown you in the start, that we are creating an amazing project, and the project which will be creating will be of temperature converter app. So now I will be just giving the name here as temperature app, and now we will be saving it on our desktop. This is the file which we are creating, and I will be saving it on desktop with the format of .cpp to create this file in C++ format. So I will be pressing this create file to save it on desktop. After saving the file, I will be now first of all writing first code of C++, which will be obviously of include IOStream. And in the previous videos also I've shown you that what are the starting codes of C++ which we have to write to create this project. Now here I will be not using any init main or include other things like that, because now we have to convert and temperature, means we have to convert in temperature to a different temperature or different format, you can say. So for that we don't need to use init main or any other functions. We will be directly starting with the Celsius thing. So here I will be now using double Celsius. So here I will be writing double Celsius to Fahrenheit, which means that this will be converting for Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then I will be writing here double comma, or you can directly write here Celsius like that. And here I will be just moving down and I will be writing the return value, in which I will be writing as Celsius. So here I will be writing as Celsius. Then I will be multiplying it with 9.0 divided by 5.0. And here I will be just writing plus 32.0, and then I will be closing this value. After doing that all, I will be again using double Fahrenheit, and then here I will be writing it to Celsius, and here I will be writing double Fahrenheit. So here I will be writing like that, and then I will be moving down and I will be again using return, but this time I will be writing Fahrenheit like that. And after writing this Fahrenheit, I will be writing minus 32 to convert the Fahrenheit into Celsius, and then I will be multiplying it with 5.0, you can say 5, and then with 9. And then here we have to convert another thing which will be of double Celsius, and now we'll be converting the Celsius to Kelvin. So I will be directly converting Celsius to Kelvin, and for that I will be using double Celsius. And here I will be now moving down and then creating return value which will be of Celsius, and here I will be writing plus 273.15, and then I will be closing the value. After closing the value, I will be again using double, but this time I will be using Kelvin to Celsius. So here I will be writing, and here I will be using double Kelvin. And now here I will be moving down and I will be returning the Kelvin value, and the value which will be of 273.15, the value which we will be returning. And then I will be using init main function here, which will be of init choice. So here I will be writing as init choice to add the things in the init main function, because now we have added the things at the top, so we'll be not needing it again here. Then I will be now using double temperature value here, and here I will be now using comma convert it temperature like this. So you can just see it is working now. And now here I will be using std count, and in count value I will be writing temperature. So here I will be writing temperature converter, and here I will be now just writing std and L. So you can just see the value we have written is perfectly fine. I will be now copying this same value here and I will be pasting it many times like I want it. So you can just see all the values has been pasted successfully. Now I will be changing the names here. Like we have written temperature converter. So I will be writing here Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then I will be moving down and here I will be writing 2. And in 2 I will be writing Fahrenheit to Celsius. Then I will be moving down here and then I will be writing 3. And in 3 I will be writing Celsius to Kelvin. And then in 4th I will be using Kelvin to Celsius. So you can just see we have written all the things perfectly. Now I will be just moving down here. Then I will be again using std sin here and then I will be writing choice. And in this choice value I will be moving down and again I will be using std here. And in this std I will be just doing one thing, like I will be writing count, and in count I will be writing enter the temperature. So you can just see we have written enter the temperature to the user, and then here I will be closing this std sin again the value, and here I will be using temperature. So I will be now writing here temperature, and here I will be writing switch, in which I will be writing choice, and right here case 1. So here I will be writing case 1 like that. And now here I will be moving down, and after moving down I will be just giving a space here as well so we can just get the things working. And I will be writing converted temperature equal to Celsius to Fahrenheit, and I will be writing here temperature like that. And here I will be now closing this, and after closing the value I will be breaking this value here by writing this break function. And here I will be just doing one thing, like I will be now removing this thing from here, which is the tag which we have created. And now the case 1 which we have created is successfully working. If I show you, so you can just see the case 1 is working here. I will be just moving forward and you can just see all the things has been successfully done. I will be copying this same case here, pasting it again with the case 3, case 4, like that, case 5 also been done. So I will be using case 2 here, case 3, then simply case 4, and here I will be using the case 5. And now in this second case I will be using Fahrenheit to Celsius. So I will be writing Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here I will be writing Celsius to Kelvin. So here I will be now writing Celsius to Kelvin. And then in this fourth case, I will be writing here Kelvin to Celsius. So you can just see. And now here I will be changing this to default. So I will be writing here default like this. And now here I will be using std function. So remember, remove these all stuff from here. And here I will be writing std count. So write 2 tags and write here std count. Here I will be using invalid choice. And now here you have to write this full stop to end this. Then again I will be using std here endl function, and then I will be returning the value of 1 here, and then move down and create std here which will be count, and the value which we will be writing as converted temperature, you can just see. And now here I will be writing this thing and write here converted temperature, and std, the value I will be writing will be enter, and return the value as 0. So you can just see we have written all the things perfectly. And then here I will be just saving this file, and now you have to close this function as well to get the things working. So you can just see that we have done all the things here. And after doing that all things, if I just move here and move forward like this, so you can just see these all things are working, but I will be now giving space to stop it. Save here, and when you have saved, just run this file, and if I run, so you can just see it is giving me an error after double Kelvin. So now the error which we are getting is in this double Kelvin Celsius. And now here I will be just moving at the top to check the thing which we are getting. So now to solve the same thing, I will be just moving to the file which we have created on the desktop like this one. If I show you the temperature one file, which is the temperature app file. So I will be opening this with the VS Code like this temperature one file here. So I will be just opening it with PS4, and you can just see all the things are working in this file has been done. So here now we have to just move forward in this file to check that what the errors we are getting here. So now the first error which we are getting in this file is of converted temperature, if I show you, and the std count function is also working. But now if I run it again to check the error, so we are getting the error in expected before thing, which is the code which we are getting. So we have to solve this error, and now at the top we have to move down to check the double converted value, and here I will be running it again, and now here I will be just pressing control like this, and to check the thing we have to go to the Kelvin to Celsius one, and you can just see the Kelvin to Celsius is this. And if I just close this function, you can see we have not returned the value. We have to return the value as well, which we have returned here. And now all the things are working here, which is perfectly fine, I think. So here now we have to solve the thing like the error which we are getting here. So I will be moving forward like this, and here as well. So you can just see we have given the space from here, invalid choice, and then all the things has been solved, the converted temperature thing. And if I move at the top, then we have written the switch choice thing, and in that we have written the temperature to Fahrenheit to Kelvin, Celsius to Kelvin, and the Kelvin to Celsius as well, you can just see. Then we have written the value, and we have also written the value of temperature here as well. Then here we have written the value of choice, you can just see. And then after writing the value of choice, we have not written the value to convert the std out into a different value. So here we have to now write here, enter your choice, and then I will be writing 1-4 like this in this bracket, and then here I will be closing this here, save it. And if I run here, and now you can just see again we are getting the error, which means that we are giving, or we are getting some mistake here which we have to solve. So now here we have to move at the top to check the mistake which we are getting here. And now here you can just see we have written the double temperature comma converted temperature, and we have closed it. Then if I move to the double Kelvin Celsius, I think we are getting some mistake here. So in this we are getting to minus 273 Kelvin, double Kelvin we have written Kelvin to Celsius. Yes, I think it is fine. Then Celsius to Kelvin, then we have written double Celsius, written Celsius plus 273.15, which is also fine, I think. And then the Fahrenheit is also same. So all the things are perfectly fine now. So I will be just saving it, and if I run, so you can just see now that temperature is converted. If we want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, I'll be pressing 1, and now we have to write the temperature, like I will be writing 30. Press enter, and you can see that Celsius has been converted into Fahrenheit, and which is 86. You can just see now the temperature is converted into Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I hope you understand that how we have converted different temperatures into Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Kelvin, and Kelvin to Celsius as well. So if you have understand this video, and if you enjoyed this project, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, remember to subscribe. After subscribing, notification bell so more people can learn about these amazing things using different videos or different programming languages which we are covering up on this channel. I hope you understand this video. I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.